Okay, for teachers and student teachers, meron tayo dito ang laptop for only 30,000 pesos. So, this is the Thunderobot TBook 15N. Before ko sabihin yung the rest of the specs, unbox muna natin siya. Okay. Ayan. Si Thunderobot is kapatid ni Makinig. Parang gaming line nila. But this one, hindi siya masyado sa gaming line. Pero, pwede pa rin naman maglaro dito ng yung mga games like Valo, Dota, I think, yeah. So, ito yung laptop natin. 65-watt power brick. Oh, alright. So, ayan yung itsura niya. Ito lang yung logo niya that you can barely see kapag naka-side ng ganyan. So, it's very clean and professional. For kasi, student teachers or teachers, medyo kailangan ng mabilis na processor at mataas na RAM. So, meron tong Ryzen 7 5000 series processor and 16GB of dual channel memory RAM. Tapos, meron din siyang 512GB of storage, Windows 11 Home na rin to. Isa pa sa kagandahan nito is 15.6 na yung kanyang display. Very spacious screen area. So again, this is the Thunderobot TBook 15N. And then sa part 2, mag-run tayo ng benchmarks dito so we can see kung gaano siya kabilis.